No name. No name. What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bling a old chain setter. NEWLINK.
Blessings, my viewers and subscribers. Big up in a cell, man. I don't know, so the attacking boss there in a NEWLINK from NEWLINK production. And I mean, say attack. So my viewers and my subscribers, you don't know, so recently people, I covered the sad story about that young footballer, my viewers and subscribers, who was killed on his birthday in Kingston, Jamaica. Well, this footballer, my people, who turned 18 on Friday, April the 22nd, 2022, my people, and them say he was, you understand, walking someplace on Charles Street, downtown Kingston, my people, when car pull up, a man from a car shot him up, my people, multiple times. You see me, I say, dead on the spot, and he just turned 18 right on his birthday, my people. See? So after covering the story and things, a lot of people I say, boy, you know what I mean, a lot of different speculations, people been saying this, people been saying that. Some people I say I set up, some people say a gang activities, some people I say, you know what I mean, mistaken identity, some people I say a lot of different things, my viewers and subscribers. See? So based on some info, I get my people alleged information when I get pertaining to the thing. And them I make me know say NEWLINK, you know, say a pump make the youth dead. I said Jaja sees Jaja knows. You know what I mean? Them I say attacking boss, a pumps make the youth dead, make the young, talented baller youth dead. And them choose to take him out right on his birthday after him a plan a big celebration with the lamp pile where him got. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. You know what I mean? So basically my people, them say him have this catty where him a deal with. You understand? And the catty have basically a next round there, so where my dealing, and like say him and the next something there fully pull up or whatever them have, you know what I mean? Them still in contact and thing, but basically she want maybe write it off for them people because she want to go to the baller. You see me, as a talented youth, she see the baller have a career going where that he represented Jamaica internationally upon the under 19 level of people who is playing for, you know what I mean, Cavalier FC. Talented youth have a bright future ahead of him, people. So basically, you know what I mean, she I go to the baller and thing, birthday thing, baller, plan big celebration in party, I come up, you know what I mean, with him, Catty and something, my people. So baller downtown, basically criminals get heads up and thing, my people, and this is what them do, my people. While he was walking, my people, then comes a boom and wet up the youth. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. And this is how wicked people work, my people. Them now go think and say, you know what, a talented youth, you know, a baller man, a good youth, you know what I mean, we are going to just bypass it, you know what I mean. I want to look up Pums, let it go on. You know what I mean? Only for woman there at Jamaica, she can go on. You know what I mean? Making keep her. Them not pray that, my people. Them just pray so maybe to them, him disrespect them. If them come so boom and take with their woman. You understand? I saw them criminal pray. And when I look upon these people, I can see some young-minded criminals, some young-minded gun boy do something like this, my people. And slap with a talented youth, my people, at just 18 years old. See, left him parents right now for more, my people. Left so much people out there who know him. You know what I mean? Youth we go to school with him. All of them, we are more of them. Play soccer with them, my people, from a young age come up. You know what I mean? It's just sad for no. You know what I mean? They must say attacking boss over Pums, the youth dead. Over Pums. And a whole heap of youth I see in Jamaica will lose them life, my people. All because of Tuntun. Eh? Jaja sees, Jaja knows. It's sad, man. Feel it for you, my people. Feel it for him. Bright future ahead of him. You know how much things this youth could have achieved in a life, my people. You know how much gains him could have gains. Eh? And as I say, them seeing things are wicked. As I say it in the vlog I do before, people. I want them find them criminals, yeah. I want them deal with them the harshest way. And for the catty, I want to say to you, how you feeling yourself? If you know, I know say yes, and you literally come to a woman and tell a man or send a man for him. You understand? But how you feeling yourself? Say whatever. Me understand, say you maybe want in a relationship, this or something. But yo, John woman, it just sad. All because of tons. All because of Tun. And you must see the reaction. Me no know, you must know say the youth where that deal with whatever is a criminal or something, but like, you know what I mean? You must know a mindset to him have. So maybe you could have put the youth on him guard, and maybe you do put him on him guard, and maybe you must say, yo, me in the street, man, the boy can't do me nothing, because you don't know a lot of young people think. See? But over there, the whole thing, the youth 3 points gone. You understand? Them take him 3 points from him, my people. And he just sad. You see me I say? Sad, sad, sad. Right on him birthday. But as I say, this police, I just want to do no real work, you know. No real work. When I thought the fake work, I want to find that same thing. You understand? Because them same thing I feel like, say, yo, woman have them tons between them leg and I feed them. Like their name soap on here, their mouth soap on here or something. I feed them. Them can want it for yam anytime and saka anytime they want it. Even when them finish and then they have 10 women around the corner beat up, them just feel say, yo, I feed them this and one. I've got once and them they go there, them just feel say I feed them forever. I just saw some same thing. I pray my people. And no other man nothing have it. Jaja sees, Jaja knows, man. Feel it for the baller, but as I say, baller, rest in peace and fly high. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. But people, big up on yourself, man. And more love and more respect and more blessings. Thanks for the love, the share, the comments, and the like, my people. I don't know the thing of my people. Once I cover a story, my people, and I get any info, I definitely will share it with you all, my people. And I don't know, as I say, it is alleged, say this are the reason why the baller was taken out. Big up on yourself, my people. Remember to follow me on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter. NEWLINK Production Official Attacking Boss. Peace out, my people. Enough love.